Just shout reset. You want to know? You want to know? You want to know what God is doing with you right now? God has pushed the reset button. And God says, with all of your mistakes, with all of your failures, with all of your shortcomings, God says, my grace is greater than your failure. My mercy is stronger than your shortcomings. So I'm going to push reset, and now I'm getting ready to fulfill and work out in your life what I always wanted you to be, what I always wanted you to do. And the devil thought he had the victory. The devil thought he was going to kill you. The devil thought he was going to take you out. But look at you, you're still here. You're still here. And the reason you're still here is because God says, I ain't through with you. And God told me to tell somebody that the best is yet to come.